Our school, Kendriya Vidyalaya AFS Barnala, is undertaking 4 innovative projects under the guidance of Shri Kulbir Singh, Principal, and Srimati Himani Khanna, HM. The 4 projects are Memory Games, Vedic Maths, Abacus, and Personality Development. A very good morning to all of you. I am Bhumika, working as PRT. Firstly, I want to thank our worthy principal sir, Shri Kulbir Singh, for giving me this opportunity to undertake memory game project. Secondly, I want to thank our HM ma'am, Srimati Himani Khanna, for her guidance and valuable suggestions. First of all, I want to tell you about the first project, that is memory games. It is important to know that why we should play memory games. Memory games improve our brain functions like attention, concentration, and focus. It improves our critical thinking and visual recognition. Memory games improves our short-term memory, and a good short-term memory can ultimately improve a person's long-term memory. What was the need to start this particular project? In the time of COVID 19, memory games will relax their minds, break the monotony of the class, and enforce the active participation of the students through playway method. It will improve their short term memory, long term memory, brain functions, critical thinking, their attention, concentration, and focus. Memory games will train their minds to respond in a shorter period of time, and in future it will help them to prepare for the competitive exams. When I started this project, the students were not interested to participate in these games. They were taking a lot of time to answer, and they were unable to recognize the pattern or to memorize it. Also, the critical thinking of the students were also not appropriate. I am undertaking this project with 81 students of class 2nd A and B. For this project, I made smaller groups of a whole class. We played many small games like color game, visual recognition, pattern recognition and memorization. Green, green, blue. Very good. We had also tried to integrate these memory games with our subjects as well. Like we had related memory games with the prepositions. This will help them to learn this concept with more efficiency, and they will be having a concrete knowledge of this topic. Reviews of the students.
I really like to play memory games. It is very interesting. इस गेम को खेलकर हमारी मेमोरी साफ हो जाएगी और हम इजीली से पढ़ सकते हैं और हम जल्दी जल्दी सोच भी सकते हैं. आपने जो गेम बेचा था मेमोरी गेम, वो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा और मैं उसको खेली तो बहुत अच्छी हुई और मेरा कॉन्सेंट्रेशन भी बहुत बढ़ गया. थैंक यू मैम. थैंक यू मैम फॉर सेटिंग द मेमोरी गेम. आई लाइक इट वेरी मच. आप जो नए नए गेम खेलते हैं हमें वो पसंद है. हम और मम्मी पापा ये हमें गेम खेलने देते हैं.
जो आपने मेमोरी गेम भेजी थी वो मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी. उससे हमारी मेमोरी शार्प हुई. थैंक यू.
Reviews of the parents.
First of all, I would like to show my gratitude to Principal KV and of course Bhumika ma'am for taking the initiation and conducting these memory games. In my opinion, I think these memory games are not only increasing the focus and concentration of our children, but in these pandemic times, these memory games are lighting up the eyes of our children. And keeping in mind that this generation children are so much net savvy and gadget savvy, they are really liking this. Thank you.
It is really appreciable that memory game subject is included into the academic schedule of our children. I find after attending these classes, the speed and concentration level of our children is increasing. They are now more focused to complete their homework, or the speed of completing their homework is increasing. They are waiting for new type of games a week after week. I'm really thankful for Bhumika ma'am that she's conducting online classes in really best possible manner. Thank you, ma'am.
I'd like to say the inclusion of memory games as a subject, I think it is a great step towards the betterment of our children, as children like to play games, and by playing these memory games they will be able to increase their mental ability, their memory power, their concentration power, their focus on each and everything. So I think it's good effort, it's appreciable.
आपने अब तक का जो भी मेमोरी गेम भेजा है उनसे हमारे बच्चों की कैचिंग पावर पहले से और भी शार्प हो गई है, इसके लिए थैंक यू मैम.
Children loves to play games, so this memory game helps children in their attention, focusing and concentration power. Thank you.
ने जो वीडियो भेजा था वो बहुत अच्छा है मैम. इट इज़ वेरी यूजफुल टू आवर चिल्ड्रन, स्पेशली दे इम्प्रूविंग देयर कंसंट्रेशन पावर, देयर फोकसिंग एंड देयर स्पीडनेस. ये सारे इम्प्रूव हो रहे हैं मैम, एंड दे आर एंजॉइंग दैट गेम. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर